Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space C: and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32/config/regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.olg. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.